Hey makers, this is Yana with Mockys, and today I'm going to show you how to put together this 3D Mis Quince cake topper. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So it's really hard to see on camera, but this Mis Quince is really shimmery and pretty glitter cardstock along with the butterflies right here. So I'm going to have a couple of layers. This bigger butterfly is going to be 3D, and these little butterflies are going to be 3D on the side. First, I'm going to get started on working with the butterflies because they're the fastest and the simplest to do. I have my tool right here, the chopstick. I like to take and just curve the butterflies. Okay, I have my butterflies ready to go. I'm going to put them together, just simply assembling them with glue. Now I'm going to go ahead and put together the bigger butterfly. So the way this works is these two wings are going to go and glue first, and then we're going to assemble it all and put it together. So I'm going to slightly curve this right here. And do the same with the wings. And we're going to have the darker color on top. So I'm going to simply just glue it on top. Make sure you give it time to dry completely before you glue it to the next piece. Now we're ready to assemble it all together. First, I'm going to go ahead and glue the glitter part on top, and then I'm going to put these together. This way it's going to be much easier. Now this glue pen is really easy to go around, and it's kind of like a pen, glue pen. So it's easier to work with it when we have little pieces like this. Now go ahead and align. Again, let this completely dry before you do the next step to make sure everything is stuck together and doesn't fall apart. Now we're almost done. Now we have to add the 3D layer in the back and the little butterflies on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and take my big foam squares and add some stickers throughout. Go ahead and align to the bottom layer and press gently. Now, as you can see, this design has the space where we're gonna put these butterflies, so it's gonna be easy to attach them there. Go ahead and just put a dab of glue and attach. And now all we have to do is add our stick and we are done. You can either put the stick right in the middle or in the back. I prefer to put it in the middle so it's hidden between the layers. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm gonna post a link to my shop where you can find this SVG file.